Straight from Sente, come to Mobile to make sure, say, you know, alright, so here I want to come from the airport. What's your number?
334-2939.
Slow it down, because you're not a bit past right now.
334-2939.
Mr. Slow down. No, say I sent you come from enough talk slow. Right. Say it again.
My number is 334.
We see too fast. Say 334
2939.
2939. Now, what's your real name?
Josh.
Josh.
Yeah. Otherwise called Chappy.
Cause when you meet the girl, them say, stop it.
Yeah.
Hey, my youth, come out on my camera and stop laughing at my camera in my youth. Come if you ever come to Manchester again, me and you.
There's a friend called the boy, you know, and Chappy. Yeah.
So, my brethren, you look like a superstar, like a Denzel Washington. How come you never going to the movie thing?
No, sir. I prefer stay out and Chappy.
Yeah, it's a scammer, you know. Scammer name, my body name, Chappy.
Sharp.
Yeah, my brother. So you've been selling cane, or what's your life story? What?
Yeah. Well, we used to do
Fix your
different.
color, man. You can't go on big TV all over the world.
We used to do different stuff, you know, man. But, you know, I do my trade and stuff, but
you trade like
yeah,
construction and thing.
Yeah, but we do a little fruits.
Okay.
Now and then, no, but now our fruits are the real thing, you know. Straight.
So you look like
Yeah, man, the health.
What you eat?
I mean, me eat the same fruits, so I sell products. Me no eat, me no
Hey,
eat
boy,
meat.
hey, man, yo, me tell you already, you know, brother.
Me no eat meat. You understand? Fish or chicken. Yeah. And fruits and veg. Yeah.
But you look
that's
like you have a good spirit.
Always, man.
Why? Where you get it from?
Always.
Oh, you build yourself.
Oh, my Billy. Right then, I know, man. Me always tell myself anything I do in life. You know, anything I do, make yourself happy. You understand? And anything I do, and you're not happy with it, not do it. You understand? So what me out here doing, me happy doing it.
You're happy doing it?
Yeah, man, me happy do what me doing.
So you like to meet the different
Whether me come out here and make no money or no.
Oh, sorry.
Just make myself happy.
Work with the customers. Okay. So, you know, so the ladies, them, how them I treat you now? You need more, you need a wife, you need more ladies internationally. Can your teeth good? Yeah, lady, you have good teeth.
Well,
enough Jamaican farmer no teeth, you know. How did you preserve your
I
teeth?
preserve my teeth.
And he's so skinny.
No, you keep them, I eat a lot of cane. Cane is the thing.
Again, people, if you don't want to see even the teeth, can't
Cane is
thank
the thing
Chappy.
that clean your teeth, you know, man.
Yes, sir.
So, as some me I peel the cane, me I eat piece at the time, so,
Eh.
you know, keep me teeth them clean.
Yeah, you eat your own supply.
Yeah, man, you have to eat your own product. Yeah, because if you don't do that, if you don't do that, you know, man.
You're not going to know if it's good.
Cane,
Yes, so that.
cane is good.
So now, how you keep strong? You said there's something you eat a lot of to keep you strong as a
Well, you know what
function.
keep me strong? And it tuna water with the jelly.
Tuna
That's the
water.
water I drink and keep me strong, you know?
Yes.
And keep
Because them
me
did
healthy.
ask how water go a pumpkin belly, and the tuna water
Yeah,
and the
man,
jelly.
tuna water.
New tune!
Tuna
No say nothing
water.
Chappy! Watch it, don't
Tuna
take my language.
water.
Don't take my language. Man a big man, man a language. Let me see if
I
you're
feel
firm.
that
You see
thing, yeah,
people
man.
in firm
Yeah,
enough?
man, tuna water.
You see that?
Tuna
You
water
feel
is
it, right?
jelly,
You
man.
feel the power of Bruce Lee just
Yeah,
lick
man,
you.
I feel it.
Hold on.
Come here, man.
You see him? What? Hey, my youth, come out of my film.
What are the camera, man?
Yo,
What are the
yo,
camera?
let me tell you something,
Yeah,
people,
man, the fruits
Jamaica.
and vegetables
Every
is
now
strong.
and then you find good human beings,
Yeah,
and I
man.
know that me a job out.
Jelly.
We meet this brethren at Borg Village entrance,
Papaya.
and he's a good brethren.
Yeah. All
This is
them
a
stuff
good
there.
person. Now, if you don't want to come to Jamaica, slow down Senti and tell me the number again.
334-2939.
876 in front of that.
Yeah.
So if you don't want a cane before you go home, on the jelly, you saw me I say, and then
Yeah,
make sure
tuna water.
tuna water and the
Yeah.
jelly. Make
We
it
have
firm.
cane juice too.
Cane juice.
Yeah.
Yes,
So you
sir.
come and Chappy.
Chappy.
Yeah.
So now you need a sign.
No means say we go Chappy now. We chop a jelly, we chop a cane. You know? And give to you. Yeah. That's why they call it Chappy.
Chop out the blows.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, I love your positivity. Auntie. Have you ever been to jail?
No, never been to jail. Never been hold by the police or nothing like that. Always working hard, you know.
Never going to jail.
No man, never
handcuff.
go lock up. None of them something.
Your father was a pastor, mother was a pastor, preacher.
No man, none of them.
So how did you see a fine line? Who was your
I
mentor?
work hard, my mother.
Your mother?
Yeah, because my father left me from me young, you know, man. So I work hard.
Okay, got it.
We are
So
all
what
those
me always find time for work.
So your mother was
My mother,
a
me and
straight
him, working at the
discipline.
bush.
She was a
Yeah, I go to the
farmer.
market.
She was a farmer, market
Yeah, man.
lady. So that the market grow your humility.
Yeah man, the market growing. So I learn to work and be
So
strong.
Chappy, how come you say never been to jail? What's this? Where you get that
Nah
clip
man,
from?
this a accident.
What do you mean? What kind of accident?
The car man, motor vehicle.
Oh, okay.
So when we go, we travel and farm work, you know, go
Mhm.
Canada.
Okay.
So when we go over there now, we ain't get the cut and we have to go at the same time.
Got it, got
So
it.
what me have to do is go over there with the cover it on my shirt. And
Okay.
then we end up with the burst out back.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but then we can't work, they send me go doctor. You know, and we
Okay.
still did it.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is it.
If you have a dream, what's that dream? If you want to be a pilot, or if you were an astronaut, or just sell pear on the roadside?
Well, me always love my farming, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I love what me doing, as me tell you.
Yeah.
Me happy doing this.
So you'd have a big enterprise
Yeah,
farm.
I like to improve on it.
So how much acres you have farm right now?
Well, me have acres of planting, acres of cane.
You have acres of planting?
Yeah, cane, planting. Me have all them planting and banana, you see me can.
Wait there, man. So one day we are go. What
Yeah,
day?
one day can come in
What
and
day
touch.
you're there at the place? Senti?
What?
A Senti you there?
No man, me there down, me there nearby Senti. Me there
Okay,
up
good.
Niagara side now.
So you basically said that you every day you're day night.
They come up to the upper Senti side of my family, you know, really grow like a cane and stuff.
Okay, got it. So in a mob
So we come on the lower,
Yeah.
lower part where you can get there.
So the people in the world need to come meet you.
Yeah man, they need to come meet Chappy.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want a cane or a coconut with Chappy. Yeah.
So when the girls they meet you, them say, Chappy, stop it. All right, my people,
Oh,
see?
yeah.
You may even have the pear,
Yeah, we have apple, foreign apple.
apple,
We have grape.
we have grape too.
Plum, we have pineapple, we have lemon, pear, honey banana, coconut. We have a whole lot, but
Yeah, bugger lime.
most of the things them
Yeah, finish up.
sell off. So
And the banana name the froggy.
yeah, that the only banana we
Honey.
eat. You
And a
have no
froggy.
nervous system.
And a froggy.
No, no honey.
Honey.
So when
So
you eat
now,
this banana,
Yeah.
otherwise call it bumpy.
the bumpy.
When you eat, you have no nerves problem. You know?
Really?
No shaking. This
Really?
banana. Yeah, man.
So you say,
Very good.
so if me take off one night,
No, but right now, you know, very ripe, very ripe people. Still, yeah. Now, very ripe people.
oh,
Like good for you.
hmm,
Good for your nervous system, a banana.
really?
Yes, man, you want the banana, man. Good, that's why I see sell, so, you know, sell more near this banana. Only Grove Michelle can go there.
You know, some never know that.
Yeah, man.
So it's good for your nerves.
Yes, man, when you get older, man, you don't shake it.
How many kids you have?
No.
8 of them, you know.
You say 18 or 8.
8. Yeah, man. I'm
So
so
what-
work hard, but them big now.
So now,
Work hard, don't go
if
have
a
little
woman
hard.
look on her son and say, but wait. You know, so the boy look like Chappy.
Yeah, man.
You might get some phone call, you know, brother.
Yeah.
A man might look on his son and say, but wait.
Hey.
Me know say the boy never look like me now.
Hey.
A Chappy look like. Chappy are the daddy all over Jamaica.
Hey, me.
Now my brother, I give you honor on the awards. Me walk around and give people the Prime Minister award because I'm busy. So I'm sending me out the road and say find the people who lift up Jamaica and give them a 5-star award. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get it. Hold it, wait there,
Hold on
wait
it.
there, wait there, wait
Hold
there.
on.
Hold it, you ready? You see?
Yes, man.
And get the 5-star, you get
What
it.
you need there? Hello. Check him out, them boy.
Infirm.
Check him out.
Chappy is an honorable Jamaican, and we wish that all other Jamaicans stand up for him and continue traditional farming.
Yeah.
Because we are farmers too, you know. I'm the founder of Jamaica Good Life Farmers.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give a t-shirt.